Power management in your caravan or RV has never been easier or more powerful than with the brand new Projecta 48V power management system. This 48V giant shatters traditional 12V limitations, giving you more freedom and more power. With a reduced footprint and weight compared to other systems, this high-performance workhorse is compact enough to be hidden away out of sight in your caravan. Which is why we've got it all set up right here in our ute so you can see every component, including a powerful 4,000 watt inverter charger capable of 8,000 watt surge, a built-in AC charger with up to 70 amps of charging, a built-in 30 amp DCDC charger, and a built-in 30 amp MPPT solar charger. Hey you, you watching this video, did you just say the 30 amps of charge is not that much? Well remember, this is a 48V system, so 30 amps charge is the equivalent of 120 amps charge in a 12V system. This isn't the 30 amps you're used to, this is 30 amps of 48V Projecta power. 48V power brings heaps of benefits straight to your caravan. 48V means higher discharge currents. 12V systems are limited to 3 kilowatts of output power. 48V can go up to 15 kilowatts, opening the door to more demanding applications. 48V systems are more efficient, with less voltage drop and lower overall power loss, meaning your devices will run for longer. The cable used for 48V is smaller and lighter than 12V, which means reduced cable and fuse temperatures when under load, extending lifespan, improving system safety, and boosting efficiency. With this powerful and efficient 48V system in your new caravan, you'll enjoy up to 70 amps of charging at 48V. This means your 5 kWh battery charges from flat in just 1.5 to 2 hours. This rapid charge time is assuming you're plugged into mains power. When not plugged into mains, charging time will vary depending on state of charge of the battery, weather for solar, ambient temperature, and DC charging. A more compact install with massive power management results, and this 48V system achieves it all with just 3 key components. You already know about the robust 4,000 watt all-in-one inverter charger. Now let's dive into the other 2 compact components that make this system a true power heavyweight. An all-new 18-channel output module provides 16 switchable circuits for normal loads, plus 2 high output circuits for extra heavy lifting. Complete control and monitoring is always at your fingertips with 7-inch and 10-inch color touch display options and Bluetooth connectivity, keeping things simple and efficient while delivering all the features you rely on, including caravan leveling, tire pressure monitoring, gas level monitoring, and an array of statistical data, all at the touch of a fingertip. So, what's keeping all of this powered up? The 48V, 105 amp hour lithium iron phosphate chassis mount battery is an absolute powerhouse. Engineered to exceed all standards and compliance, you can trust that you're safe and secure with overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, and high-low temperature protections. Just a reminder to those of you who are used to 12V systems, while 105 amp hours may sound limited, don't forget that 105 amp hours at 48V is the equivalent to 420 amp hours at 12V, or 5 kilowatt hours. And if you're connected to mains power, your battery will still be charged from flat to full in 1.5 to 2 hours. If you're not plugged into mains, your charge time will depend on current battery level, DC input, temperature, and available sunlight. For those who need even more power and freedom, your 48V system can be expanded even further with a larger capacity battery for more demanding needs. If you're a traveller who refuses to compromise on comfort, the new Projecta 48V power management system lets you enjoy life in your caravan or RV to the fullest, whether you're on or off-grid. More power, more freedom. Check out projectapower.com to find out more.